This is Reza with Profile Traders, September the 16th, and we are looking at a chart of ES. If you followed my analysis in last week, I mentioned during this session where my mouse is, the fact that we were unable to make a higher high, but in fact we made a lower high, lower low. That was the first sign of weakness that I was seeing in the market. And ever since, we are continuing to make lower lows, lower highs. This morning, what was very important is the nature of the open. As you can see, the second that we opened, they didn't even hesitate by rejecting it significantly below the open, one shot down. Usually when this type of open happens, either the high or the low of the session is in place. And after the open to the downside was visible, or rejection to the downside was visible, that high held, and the remainder of the day was either rotation or a grind to the downside. Also remember that there was a naked POC down here at 28.93, which was always attracting price towards it. Finally we did hit that. Now 28.90 is a very important level. If that level breaks, we should see 28.85 and then 28.78. And if I go further down, we have a naked POC at 28.63, one at 28.55, one at 28.43. At some point when this whole euphoria to the upside will come to an end, it is almost a certainty that we are going to hit every single one of these POCs to the downside. We are not there yet, but I'm just telling you where they're at so that you're aware of them. If we want to go up, obviously the first level of resistance above us becomes now 2900. If we can punch through that, look for 2905 and a half, and then obviously the two levels up there, 14 and a half and 17. But so far it does look weak, and unless I see something extraordinary to happen which will indicate a short-term trend reversal, this down move should continue.